Hey everyone, today we're working on the D series. This was a scrap towaway. I don't like scrapping trucks, so I gave it a clean up and it hasn't run in 15 years. So new carby, points, coil, new hoses to the tank, gave it a clean out and running first time in 15 years. Good numbers out of it too, so looking like a good thing, this one. Original Barossa Valley truck, pretty good for rust, but it's good saving another one from scrap. All new points and coil, eBay carby, compressor's working, building up air, kicking in now. If anyone's got an old International they want to swap for a running D series, doesn't have to be running. I like my Inters better than the D series. Sing out!